Hello and welcome to another injee update video. So we have got some exciting updates for the future of injee. So the first thing is we have a website called injee.org. Okay, so and a company called INSS sponsored this. INSS is a company where I consult for data science. There is a very good data science team. And yeah, if you've got data science projects, yes. And if you've got any type of projects, okay, so like you can approach them even for Ingee's POC, like this $500 500 POC, they will be able to do a project in a week using Injee so that like your cost will be reduced and what to say, and you can approach your ventures really fast. And yeah, all these three guys are my friends and all those stuff. Of course, everyone in INSS are my friends, right? So that's the thing. Anyway, thanks INSS for sponsoring and all those stuff. And yeah, like I just wish INSS very big success. And even I'm part of INSS. Okay, so that's the thing. And another thing is like, yeah, we are planning a admin phase for Injee, right? So injee is a backend software, and if you just look at the documents, it's everything JavaScript, curl, and blah 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 blah, right? So like, but a front-end developer might like to have some kind of a visual thing like PG admin or something like that, and that's the thing, and we are trying to do it. And yeah, like planning for that is going on. So yeah, Injee has become big enough, like we are planning for it. So it is more managementy than developery, and I hate it, right? So that's the thing, right? Okay, so yeah, so the visual tool, like what it'll do is like we will be able to view tables, delete table, add or remove column, view data in table. We can search, page, date, order, and delete data, modify data, and all those stuff, right? So that's the thing, right? And then we'll be able to upload files and delete file and all those stuff. Okay, so right. And of course, this is the phase one. In phase two, it will be able to teach a developer, like if there is already a table, how to insert a new stuff using a curl command, JavaScript or Kotlin or something like that. So that's the thing. Okay, so and yeah, and um, we have got improved docs. Okay, so one is we have got we I have written about HTMX, so how you can do and all those things. So HTMX is a very great technology according to me. And look, rather than doing a site in JavaScript, first try it out in HTMX. It'll reduce a lot of your work, like maybe even like 80-90% of your work it will be reduced. Like I'm very sure about it. So maybe at least 70%, definitely 60%, right? So that's the thing, right? And okay, so this docs are there, but what we just did is like we just put small links over here. So so the doc for this, doc for this, doc for this. So anybody looking at the features can just start accessing the docs and all those things, right? And yeah, we have got another update in Injee data, right? So like mm, okay, right? Uh, I don't know where it is. Okay, and let me just put data. Yeah, yes. We have got update for Inji data. So, like maybe somebody wanted United States data in that is states of United States data in Inji, and we have just put a JSON file for that, and you can use it, right? So maybe I'll be putting more video about data and all those things, right? So in the future, right? So right, okay. So I didn't put it in my notes. Definitely, most of the things what I do is unplanned. Okay, right, okay. So yeah. So I think I just explained about the phase two and all those things. And okay, like yeah, we are working for GraphQL support. So and it'll be no config. So imagine like you are a GraphQL developer and you need to do all these config, but with Injee you'll have like no config GraphQL. That's because like Injee is the no configuration instant database for front-end developers. No need to do any config. GraphQL will just start work like that. So, eh, yeah, people listening to this might think that I'm mad and go to say, how is it possible? Am I using AI and all those stuff? But even for this Injee, that's what people ask. Like, are you using AI and blah 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 blah. No, pure code, just pure code, right? So that's the thing. And yeah, like technical feasibility has been done for this, and there is a wonderful poster for this. Maybe I think you can, I'll just share it in Mimi section. Maybe you can just print it and have it like a laptop or a mobile phone sticker, right? So that's the thing, right? Oh yeah, docs have been improved. Okay, I've just put it over here. So okay, let me just delete it, right? Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. And more devs are using injee, and now it's obvious to me. Yeah, first when I did injee, I just thought, okay, almost nobody will use it. So like now people are using it, and as I'm discovering more developers are using it, okay, yeah, this is what is happening like for past few months. So what's the big deal? So that's the thing. So when first few developers or first 10 developers kind of use it, I was thinking, oh God, wow, that's really good. But now, yeah, it has become something usual. So even if you're front end developer, please do give a read uh, about NG. You can watch the videos I did over here. I'm not good at front end, so but yeah, you can at least get assured, like me who doesn't like front end and who can't do front end accomplished this much with NG and all those things. But then imagine what you could do with yourself if you're accomplished front end developer, right? So that's the thing. So yeah, that's about it. So the future of NG looks really bright, and yes, and it'll make it look as though the things you have done in Injee, what you've done with Injee till now look a bit dim because the future looks really, really, really bright. So, yeah. If you're a front-end developer, put on your welding helmet and wait for the bright future of Injee, right? So, anyway, thanks for watching. That's it in this update video.